forward fold yoga postures.
1 2 3 4 5 6
2 3 and
stay in this posture. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7
Marichi asana as well.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6
our
7
belly fat to reduce digestive system, to improve digestive system. 1 2 3 4 5 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Inhaling at the place and slowly.
1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8
Namaskar, good morning everybody. Me certified yoga teacher Shiva Pokhrel, my channel Yoga and Fitness with Shiva. Today I am going to give a very important yoga posture. That name is forward fold yoga postures. Forward folds yoga posture is a very important yoga posture, especially for our to improve our vairagya bhav, to calm our mind, to reduce our stress, anxiety, especially very good for our stomach problem, especially good for digestive system as well. Therefore you can practice. First practice, you can standing forward fold, inhaling and slowly you can balance your body.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10
slowly. Then you can practice seated forward fold, inhaling at the place, exhaling 1 2 3 and
stay in this posture. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20.
Then slowly you can practice the Marichi asana as well.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10.
Slowly you can practice other
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10.
Then you can
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10.
slowly come on the center. Then you can practice other leg as well.
Inhaling 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. slowly come on the center.
Then you can practice downward facing dog as well. This is also excellent yoga posture for our back pain, for our belly fat, to reduce digestive system, to improve digestive system. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then you can practice wide leg forward fold as well. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. This is also excellent yoga posture. Then you can practice pyramid pose. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Slowly you can practice other side as well.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. then you can relax. And very good yoga posture for Balasana. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. This is a very good for parasympathetic nervous system. You can improve the, especially forward folding posture is very stretching for our back muscle. Therefore, you can also practice all the yogasana in your daily routine. Then you can practice other is Janu Sirsasana as well. Inhaling and exhaling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slowly come on the center, and you can release the posture on other side. Inhaling and exhaling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you can slowly practice the Hanumanasana as well. And up forward fold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you can change your leg. Slowly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come on the center. Then you can practice wide leg forward fold as well, or Bhum Namanasana. Inhaling at the place and slowly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. This is also very good for our hip opening yoga posture. Slowly. Then you can practice slowly Kurmasana as well. To practice Kurmasana, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly you can release the posture. This is also excellent yoga posture for our forward folding. Then in butterfly you can forward fold. This is also very good yoga posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you can slowly Yog Mudra as well. Inhaling at the place, exhaling 1, 2, 3, and all the way 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, exhaling 1, 2, 3, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, exhaling 1, 2, 3, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhaling 1, 2, 3. This is also very good yoga posture for forward folding, or especially for posterior muscle. Then you can apply the one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is also very good for forward folding yoga posture. You can apply. Then you can apply slowly. Then slowly come on the center. Brain area for how to improve the, especially the blood circulation and oxygenation in our brain area. We can improve the digestive system. We can improve the flexibility of our overall whole body. Then you can especially Vairagya Bhav or let's go
vibe is improving by practicing all these forward folding yoga postures in your daily routine. If you are a newcomer in my channel, you can subscribe my channel, like my video and comment in the comment box. If you feel this video is very useful for your friends, colleague and loved one, you can share this video in any social network. Thank you for watching my video and watching continuously and helping me to make new video and to motivate me. Namaskar yogis. Bye bye yogis. Have a nice day yogis. Bye bye.